Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you the best 2K or 4K camera setting on Android phone. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is open up your phone camera. Then after you open up your phone camera right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure you switch to video section. So from video sections right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you have different options right here. So right here you have three options. You have 720 pixels, you have 1080 pixels, and you have 2K pixels. So right here you can simply switch to 2K pixels, which is the higher resolution on this particular phone, just like what you see right here. If you click on here again, you switch to 1080 pixels, this will give you this. So if you switch to 2K pixels right here with 30 frame rate per second, you see that the camera bright more and more. So you can click on here again and check on the 1080 pixels right here, which is very low, and the lower version here is 720 pixels. I will always prefer that I shot in 2K with 30 frame rate per second. It's that simple. So this is one of the best camera settings that you can use to capture stunning video with just your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Android phone camera setting, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.